my fucking rights, bro. Y'all not supposed to be here. And then, look, you see that camera right there?
Yeah.
Do what you gotta do to survive, bro.
Danny.
Help! Help! Help!
Darius, Champaign Police. I just want to talk to you.
Who is?
Champaign Police.
What are you looking for?
Darius.
Ain't no Darius here.
Darius, I know it's you. Let me just talk to you. Just tell you to knock some stuff off and we can get out of here.
What you looking for Darius for?
I just want to tell him to stop calling Alicia. But I need to talk to you. Make sure I talk to the right person.
Ain't no Darius here, bro.
Darius, that's you.
After 100 calls, cops told 30-year-old Darius to stop stalking her and handed him a restraining order. Some men just can't take no without unlimited data.
Just answer the door. You don't got a warrant or anything. You don't have a warrant or anything. I just want to tell you to knock that crap off. Stop calling her. If you keep calling her and leaving her messages, you're going to get arrested for harassment through electronic communication device. I'm not arresting you, Darius. I'm just trying to tell you just to knock that shit off.
He just said he's not trying to take nobody to jail.
Yeah.
Like, he right here.
Oh, hold on.
He said they...
Are you calling her and leaving her messages?
No, I'm not calling nobody, leaving nothing. Okay.
Why would she say that?
Okay, I'm Darius.
Okay, so what's going on, Darius, between you and her?
So at the end of the day, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
me and her had a disagreement about I caught her talking to another guy.
Okay.
And I left her alone.
Okay.
I don't want nothing to do with her.
Okay.
I'm not gonna I blocked her number. I don't call her or nothing.
If you are doing it, just knock that shit off. She doesn't want. She doesn't want.
Okay. I'm gonna tell both of y'all.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell both of y'all. Like, y'all know the law, right?
Yeah.
In the state of the Constitution, if you come to a house to lock them up, have proof. Y'all don't got no proof of nothing. We gonna have a good day. Y'all going about y'all business, and it's cool.
Darius first played dumb, then admitted the fight but claimed he'd blocked her. When cops tried to serve papers, he turned into a YouTube lawyer, shouting, "I know my rights," while proving he clearly didn't.
Well, you're not leaving yet, so you have an order of protection that needs to be served. Okay.
All right, let me sign the paper. What's y'all for y'all?
We're waiting for a county deputy to come out here and give you the paperwork. Once he gives you paperwork, then you're free to go.
Y'all, you don't got no right to touch me, though.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't. You don't.
It's called serving civil paper.
Hey, Mom, they don't got no warrants. They don't got nothing.
Serving civil paper.
Hey, that mean the sheriff.
Yeah.
That mean the sheriff.
Yes, they're coming out here.
Okay, y'all not the sheriff, though.
Yes, they're coming out here.
Man,
you cannot go inside the house. Then stop. Then knock it off.
I'm not going inside the house. I'm trying to calm the dog. Let me calm the dogs down, bro.
Come here. Then step right.
I'm not going nowhere.
Either you go inside the house, or you're gonna end up in handcuffs and detained for right now until we figure this out.
I should never came out the door. Y'all need a warrant to kick in the door, anything, bro.
Did we kick in the door?
Okay, I know my fucking rights, bro. Y'all not supposed to be here.
Relax.
Okay, and I'm finna call her again. Like, you just sent the police to my house, and you see, it's private, bro. I don't got no text messages or none of that with her ass, bro.
Okay, are you calling her?
No, I'm not calling her, bro. I just got off the phone with another bitch, bro. What the?
Why would she say? Why would she say that?
Officer, don't touch. Like, is it y'all gonna lock? Is it y'all gonna go downstairs with me, get the keys, and lock this motherfucker up? I can put the alarm on and take me to jail, or y'all gonna let me in my motherfucking house?
Darius.
It's either that or that.
Darius.
Excuse me, officer.
No, you're not going anywhere, or you're gonna end up in handcuffs.
You have to go to jail.
Hey, bro, let me. Okay.
You taking us too far. You just getting paperwork and that's it.
Listen.
Hey, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Let me record this shit right now.
Darius went live, yelling about police abuse while refusing to leave. Nothing says innocence like a live stream meltdown for 5 followers and 0 self-awareness.
I got me one. I got me one today, big bro. Went and check off their ass on my mama mill.
If you try to leave again, we're going to be detained in handcuffs.
Okay.
You understand that?
That's cool.
Okay.
That's cool. You need to. You searched me up before you got here, bro.
What do you mean?
Did you look my name up before you got here?
Yes.
I play these type of games.
They are coming up here.
Okay. I play these type of games.
What do you mean you play the type of games?
Okay. You gonna understand if you don't understand.
What is that supposed to mean?
Okay. Just like you don't got no warrant. You don't got no right to touch me or nothing. You going off of he say, she say shit, bro. And then, look, you see that camera right there?
Yeah.
Do what you got to do to survive, bro.
Here. We got one right here.
I got a right to stop paying. Man, I got a right to stop paying you, bro. I ain't did shit, bro.
Stop it.
What y'all doing?
You're just being detained right now.
No, I'm not being no oh, look, y'all hurt me, bro. Help.
Danny.
Help. Help! Big bite, Petey! Bite! Help!
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting! Mom! I'm gonna get right out, bro.
Yeah, alright.
Y'all alright, bro. Y'all don't got no warrant, no nothing, bro.
Dude, we told you a lot of times.
Y'all don't got no warrant, no nothing to lock me up, though, bro. Y'all don't got shit on me, bro. I ain't did shit wrong.
From 7 to 69.
Okay. Y'all ain't finna get sued the f*** out of y'all, bro. I ain't gonna even lie, bro. Y'all finna get sued, bro.
Code 4.
I ain't going nowhere, bro. I ain't going nowhere, bro. I ain't going nowhere till my mama get here, bro. My mama let me get on concrete. I'm finna sit on the stairs, bro. Let me sit
You
on
just
the
said
stairs.
you want to sit down.
Yeah, let me close my mama's door too, though. Close her door. Close her fucking door, bro. Man, no, bro. Y'all just did me wrong, bro. Y'all just did me fucking wrong, bro, for no reason, bro. Y'all don't got no warrant. Y'all don't got no reason to detain me, bro.
We do have.
No. Cause if it was a civil suit or anything, bro.
That's what I said. Do you know what would have been done?
Come on, man.
We give you your paper, you're done.
The sheriff supposed to put up, bro.
Yes, they're coming here, and we have the right to do that.
So she supposed to with the court for it, bro. I ain't did shit wrong, bro.
That's what the order of protection is for.
You just got served a paper, told you don't do that again, don't call it, and be done. You would have been back inside the house. We told you numerous times, don't go back inside the house.
You ain't tell me who it's for.
I just told you.
No, you just told me right now, officer. You just told me right now. And your camera got everything. I'm asking you why you here. You never said the name. You never said nothing. You just said you got a paperwork coming towards you. You never said the name, who was coming from, or nothing. Man.
Either way, the county has to come serve you the
Okay,
people.
I want to order protection on her too, cause she got hold on. No, hold on.
So you have to go to the courthouse to do that.
All right. If you gotta go to the courthouse, y'all shouldn't be popping up. The sheriff post popped up.
No.
Y'all, I better police.
I'm here for a case for harassment. I'm here for that case.
I never been to her crib. I never been to her shit. None of that
You have to be
shit.
there to get a harassment charge.
Come on, man. Let me go, bro. Let me go back to my house,
It's called
bro.
harassment through electronic communication device.
Okay.
Dude, you would have been out of here.
Dude, I will start. Hey, don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
Stop it. Just sit down. You want to sit down, dude. Or you're going to go, you're seriously
I'm gonna go to jail for what?
resisting.
Resisting of what?
We already told you.
I never been locked up. I like literally. I don't got no charge. You never charged me with shit. How I'm
It's
resisting?
resisting.
How
Because I
resisting?
told you
never
numerous
charged
times,
me
and
shit.
I said we're detaining
You never
you.
charged me with
So-
shit. Detaining and going to jail is two different things, bro.
How much have you had to drink, dude?
Come on, bro. I'm my mama, bro. I'm finna kick one of y'all in y'all face, bro. Y'all really gonna have to take me to jail, bro. Like, y'all got me right here for shit, bro. For nothing. Oh, a bitch I ain't been with it in 8 months, 6 months, bro. So when all this shit hit the fan, where y'all gonna be when the shit hit the fan? Y'all don't know nothing about this bitch. Like, I got a manager where I work at. This walk up past with guns and shit. She sent a fucker to my job and shit. Y'all don't know nothing about that, do y'all? And you supposed to be a black man, but you ride with the rednecks though. It do got something to do with a lot, bro. Man, self-control my ass, bro. Can you get my phone? Let me get my phone. Give me. Oh, no, I'm not. I reach for my phone. Give me my phone, bro. I'm my mama. Hey, bro, stop putting your hands. If I kick you in your dick, you gon' feel it.
Oh, you're going to feel it, too.
And you gonna beat my ass in front of that camera? Right.
We got cameras right here.
All right. And I was telling you moving up
Stop
there.
moving.
Right. Like that camera catching everything you're doing.
Fine.
I haven't touched you with none of that
Can
shit.
you bring our squad up here?
Not listening.
I haven't touched you with none of that. Look.
Time to go back to the door.
Look.
Enough. We're going to the squad. You want to play these games?
Look, I'm not doing shit.
Then
Look.
stand up and walk like a big boy.
No, I'm not.
Seriously, how old are you, dude? Just grab.
Like, I'm not even doing shit. Let me go back to
What do you mean?
What you looking at me up for? Oh my God, bro. This was y'all wrong, bro. I'm not even finna resist, cause I don't want no talk.
Then get your ass up and start walking like a big boy.
I'm not like, what you put me in your car for? Like, what you taking me from my door unlocked, bro? No, bro, I'm not.
Do you want us to pick you up again?
Like,
Treat
bro,
you like
you
a
not
champ.
telling me, bro. So what's the charges here? What's the charges here for not listening? Come on, bro. All this shit, like, come on, bro. Like, come on, what's your, like, what I'm being detained, what I'm being detained for?
We told you several
What I'm being
times
locked up for?
to stop going inside the house. You
I
kept
never-
on going up there.
I got dogs, bro. You want the dogs to run out? Like, y'all gonna shoot my dog.
Tighten this one just a little bit.
Where y'all sergeant at? Call y'all sergeant.
He's coming.
Call y'all sergeant, please. No, I'm not.
Hold on. Let's search him real quick.
I don't got nothing. I'm searching. Hey, tell me the charge before I get in the car, bro. No, tell me the charge.
We resisting a peace officer.
So, hey.
Darius begged, threatened, claimed he was drunk, stressed, and needed a psych ward, then bit a cop while screaming, "I did nothing wrong." Nothing says stability like teeth marks and excuses.
It just happened too fast for me, bro. Like, listen to me. Just please listen to me.
Darius.
Listen, okay, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. Yes, you right. I've been drinking, bro. I'm at home drinking inside my house. But listen to me, officer. Listen, I'm not trying to go. I got 2 kids in that house right now, bro.
Okay.
My kids in school, they finna come home looking for their daddy.
Okay. Well, you said your mom's coming here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't need no charge. Like, officer.
Darius.
I
I try to tell you several times up there, Darius, if you try walking around and then you want to cause a big scene.
just like I said, y'all don't even know. Y'all got her a part of the story.
And you can't be calling her, calling her 100 times.
I didn't put my hands on nobody or none of that.
Well, you resisted when I said get your hands behind your back. You're being detained. Did I not tell you?
I put my hands behind my back.
No, you didn't.
And I sat
Then
down.
You pulled away.
Yo, camera show. I sat down, officer. Officer, hey, hold on.
Don't.
Hold on. Officer, listen to me, officer. Officer, please, just listen to me.
All right, listen to me real quick.
I would take the paperwork. Just let me back in with my kids, bro.
So long story short here is, I was literally just going to come here and tell them.
I know, I heard you. I was on the phone.
Knock that stuff off, but you also got paper that needs to be served, the order of protection. I have a sergeant here coming here to make sure he's okay, because since there is minor use of force with us forcing him to the ground,
right.
this OOP needed to be served since 12/11. Okay.
I'm like, damn, bro. I didn't say shit to this lady, bro.
He was saying he'd rather go to the mental hospital than jail.
Look at my shoulder. I need to see an ambulance. I'm hurt. I ain't going no jail. I swear to God. For jail for what? Y'all pick me up. Y'all put me in the mud. I ain't did nothing. I got
We were
kids.
just talking, okay?
Come on,
You don't need to yell at me.
I'm sorry. I don't want to.
Here's the deal. Here's the deal, okay? What you did, you committed 2 misdemeanors, okay?
Two missing. What? Two
Resisting
misdemeanors?
and because of the order, they're trying to serve you the order, and you were resisting
Yeah,
that. So
you got your wallet? I'm sorry.
No, I do not. Everything in the house.
Okay, that's fast.
Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
Darius,
Take me to the hospital. I'm not
Why?
I'm not gonna see no judge till after the holiday.
Darius, you got to
I ain't no bonds or
they
nothing.
can release you without a bond.
Darius, you got to
You'll see a judge tomorrow.
No,
case,
take me to the hospital. I'm crazy. Take me to the hospital. Put me on a psych ward.
Darius, you need to calm down.
I'm not finna go sit in nobody's bullpen. I don't got no money, no nothing. I got nothing.
They'll release you. You don't have to bond out.
There's no bond.
You want me to sit? You want me to sit to the why just not let me go? You just want to charge up under your belt right now.
Darius,
I didn't want to charge
you
you at all,
will be
period.
out tomorrow morning. Calm down, bro.
No, I'm going to the mental. I'm going to the mental. I'm going to mental hospital, bro. I'm going to mental hospital.
Stop.
I'm not going to no jail, bro. I'm not finna sit in no bullpen. Y'all finna make me lose my job and everything.
Darius,
Y'all finna make me lose my job and everything.
It's not like what it used to be.
It is like it used to be. Y'all gonna say anything for me to calm down.
We're not.
Yes, y'all is.
Yeah.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop. Yeah.
Darius, you're gonna hurt you.
Watch out, he's biting.
Are you biting? Darius. Darius, let go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No, listen, what, bro?
Darius, you're the one that had to do it.
No, I'm telling y'all could let me go for paperwork, bro.
Calm down, dude. You acting a
You gotta
fool.
explain clear up to me.
You acting a fake motherfucking fool. You can calm your ass down.
So what I'm getting charged for, officer?
Resisting.
So the only thing I said, what did y'all charge me with? Officer,
What's up, Darius?
what I'm getting charged with?
He was charged with resisting and obstructing, both misdemeanors, but a major ego hit. Turns out yelling, "I know my rights," doesn't make you right.